have Lexus ES350. Customer purchased a hood light. She would like to have it. Trouble with this car is there is a rubber gasket here. So when you close the hood, this rubber gasket doesn't give you any gap between the bumper and the hood, which means you're not going to get any light shining through between the hood and the bumper. So what we are doing is this rubber gasket, we're going to simply remove it. You just pull that out, no special trick. You just take this out, completely out. Now, once you have it out, you clean this bumper side with the rubbing alcohol so the tape sticks. Then you get this sticky tape part facing down, obviously. We're just going to put a little bit extra to this way because there is a dead spot on this end. So we're just going to shove it underneath like this and stick it where the gasket used to be at. And we're going to temporarily put power and a ground to the battery to see how it looks. There's the battery there. Of course, that's not how we're going to install it. We just want to see how it looks. Okay. So when you close, look at that. It looks beautiful. And we're going to hook that power and the ground to the ignition. Well, the ground goes to the battery, but the power side, we're going to hook it up to the ignition. So under the hood, driver's side, this two blue relays here, right below it, that's an ignition. So you get this little adapter, and you can put a power right there and the ground to any of this metal, or you can go to the ground to the battery. I'll put that link on description along with this light. Test it out. Turn the ignition on. There you go. So that's with the key in the ignition on position. So light works. All you gotta do is put this black wire to the battery. That's it. Do it again. Turn it on. This is a driver's side panel. You take this off, you put a ground right there. And that's the ignition, that's the P-tap. Right there. The two 20 amp fuses, one next to it is the ignition wire.